You have the power to shape your destiny. Every dream you hold is a spark waiting to ignite. As we step into 2024, remember that the journey begins with a single step. Don't let fear or doubt dictate your path. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are the stopping stones to your success. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Visualize your dreams daily. Feel the excitement as if they are already yours. Surround yourself with positivity and inspiration. Seek out those who uplift you, and let their energy propel you forward. This year, commit to action. Break your goals into manageable steps and celebrate each victory, no matter how small. Remember, progress is progress and every effort counts. In 2024, make the choice to believe in yourself. You have greatness within you. You have to know within yourself that I can do it. Even if no one else sees it for me, I must see for myself. Chase your dreams with relentless passion and determination. The world is waiting for what only you can offer. Let's make this year extraordinary together.